Need to return your Verizon equipment? In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to find an authorized Verizon equipment return location. If you're returning a Verizon router, modem, Fios equipment, or other devices, start by checking your return instructions. Some equipment can be returned to participating Verizon stores, while other returns require shipping with a prepaid return label. To find the nearest Verizon location, open the Verizon website or the My Verizon app and use the store locator. Enter your zip code or city to see nearby Verizon stores and check whether they accept equipment returns. If your return includes a prepaid shipping label, pack the equipment securely using the original box if possible, or any sturdy shipping box. Include all required accessories, such as the power adapter, remote controls, or cables, if requested in your return instructions. Before handing over your package, remove any personal items and take photos of the equipment for your records. If you're shipping the package, keep the tracking number and your return receipt until Verizon confirms that your equipment has been received. Once Verizon processes the return, you'll receive a confirmation, and any applicable equipment charges should be updated on your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.